Are you ready for XRP to finally make that bullish push, or are we still in for more sideways action? And what about Ethereum? Could its recent price dip be just a temporary setback, or is there a deeper issue lurking under the surface? In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about XRP's price action and Ethereum's recent movements. We'll uncover what key levels to watch, what indicators are saying, and what the experts are predicting next. So stick around until the end because you won't want to miss the big picture. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell, so you don't miss out on future videos. Trust me, you'll want to stay in the loop because the crypto world is always evolving, and staying informed gives you the edge. Today, we're diving into XRP's price action, what's causing it to stall at key support levels, and more importantly, what needs to happen for a bullish breakout. Then, we'll move on to Ethereum's recent price dip and discuss whether this is just a minor pullback or something more serious. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we'll explore XRP's recent price movements and pinpoint the key support and resistance levels that are defining its current trading range. Is XRP preparing for a breakout, or are we going to see more consolidation in the days ahead? Next, we'll shift our focus to Ethereum, which has recently experienced a retracement in its price. Could this be a temporary setback before a renewed bullish rally, or is Ethereum heading toward a deeper correction? And finally, I'll share some insights on what the broader crypto market is telling us and how you can use this information to make smarter trading decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of where XRP and Ethereum are likely headed and what you need to do next. So keep watching, because there's a lot to unpack. Right now, XRP is trading in a very tight range, hovering just above the $0.500 mark. After a strong rejection near $0.6660, the price experienced a bearish reaction, dropping below significant support levels at $0.6250 and $0.600. Despite these setbacks, the bulls have been active at the $0.500 support level, keeping the price from slipping further. But here's the key point: XRP is consolidating. We're seeing the price move sideways rather than making any decisive moves up or down. It's consolidating near the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the recent downward move, which took the price from $0.6660 to $0.5086. This level is important because it often acts as a short-term barrier for prices to push through, especially in tight trading ranges like we're seeing now. Let's break it down further. The 50-day simple moving average is acting as a major resistance for XRP. The price has repeatedly tried to break above this level but has been met with significant selling pressure every time. Right now, XRP is facing resistance around $0.5600, and unless it manages to settle above this zone, we're unlikely to see any meaningful bullish momentum. But what would it take for XRP to finally break through? For XRP to begin a steady increase and potentially initiate a bullish run, we need to see the price settle above the 50-day SMA and clear the $0.5600 resistance level. This level has proven to be a significant barrier, and only a convincing breakout above $0.5600 would signal the start of a new bullish phase. But that's not all. The next major resistance zone sits near $0.5880, and after that, we have the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.6060. Why is this important? Because Fibonacci retracement levels often act as psychological zones where traders decide whether to continue buying or take profits. A move above $0.6060 could signal a larger shift in market sentiment and send the price toward $0.6660. If XRP can break above this, the $0.6850 level becomes the next major target. A move above $0.7200 could be the key pivot zone that triggers a larger rally towards $0.8800. Yes, you heard that right, XRP could potentially see a surge towards $0.8800 if these levels are cleared with enough volume and momentum. Of course, every potential for upside comes with risks. If XRP fails to break the $0.5600 resistance, we could see a retracement toward the downside. Immediate support sits near $0.5300, and if this level breaks, XRP could head towards $0.5080, the recent low. A break below $0.5080 could trigger further losses, with the price potentially dropping to $0.4450 or even $0.4320. It's important to watch these levels carefully because they will determine the direction of XRP's next big move. If we break down further, the next major support zone lies near $0.4020 and, in a worst-case scenario, the price could test $0.3720. This would represent a significant pullback and could put XRP in a bearish trend for the foreseeable future. Before we jump into Ethereum's latest price action, make sure you're liking this video if you're finding value in this analysis. It helps the channel grow and brings these insights to more people like you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. We're always diving deep into the markets here at Zaki Crypto Update, and we've got a lot more content on the way. Now, let's move on to Ethereum, which has had a bit of a rough patch recently. Over the last 24 hours, Ethereum has entered a retracement phase, experiencing a 2.70% decline. This type of pullback is often seen in bullish markets and can be a signal that the price is gearing up for a new rally, but only if certain conditions are met. According to reports from mCrypto, Ethereum's recent downturn could extend further. The chart is showing a lack of bullish signals, and the price is searching for liquidity to support a future move upward. Let's break that down. At the moment, the nearest liquidity zone for Ethereum is between $2,536.47 and $2,484.44. If the price enters this zone, it could find enough buying pressure to stage a recovery and rally back to $2,820.92. This level serves as a key target for the bulls, and breaking it could lead to further gains. However, if Ethereum falls below this demand zone, we could see a stop hunt, a tactic often used by traders to capture additional liquidity before pushing the price back up. Essentially, this is a short-term shakeout that can occur when the market needs to attract more buyers. But here's the risk: if the price fails to find support in this demand zone, we could be looking at a deeper correction, signaling a shift to a bearish trend for Ethereum. Now, let's take a look at the technical indicators for Ethereum. One of the key indicators we track is the Relative Strength Index. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements and operates on a scale from 0 to 100. Typically, a reading above 50 indicates bullish momentum, while a reading below 50 signals bearish momentum. Right now, Ethereum's RSI is at 58.15, which is still in bullish territory, but here's the catch: it's trending downward. This suggests that the buying pressure is weakening, and we could see more downside movement as the price searches for support. Similarly, the moving average convergence divergence is still in positive territory, but the green bars on the chart are starting to fade, indicating that the bullish momentum is losing steam. This doesn't necessarily mean we're heading for a crash, but it does suggest that the price could consolidate or pull back further before making another attempt at a rally. Let's talk about open interest, a metric used to gauge the level of trader activity in the market. Open interest measures the total number of open futures contracts and is often used to assess whether money is flowing into or out of a market. According to CoinGlass, Ethereum's open interest has declined by 2.89%, dropping to $13.56 billion. This decline suggests that traders are beginning to position themselves for short trades, meaning they expect the price to fall further. If this trend continues, it could lead to additional selling pressure, pushing Ethereum lower. However, the overall market trend remains bullish for now, and we could still see a reversal if buying pressure picks up. Alright, that wraps up today's analysis on XRP and Ethereum. XRP is currently in a consolidation phase, and it needs to break above $0.5600 for any chance of a bullish breakout. Ethereum, on the other hand, is in a retracement phase, and the next few days will be critical in determining whether we'll see a recovery or a deeper correction. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you bullish on XRP, or do you think Ethereum has more room to fall? Drop your comments below and let's get the conversation started. Please remember that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this video should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any trading or investment decisions. Until next time, keep your eyes on the charts and stay informed. I'll see you in the next video.